So here we are, I am dyeing my hair again.
So here is all my stuff. I have a brush for brushing my hair before and after. I have a mixing bowl and two brushes, one with a long handle, one with a shorter handle. I have some basic conditioner to mix with my dye. I have a bunch of gloves because you never know how many friends you're gonna need to help you. And I have some processing caps, of which I will only need one, hopefully. I have some coconut oil, which I'm going to use around my face and neck to try and keep the dye from sticking, since I don't have any Vaseline. And then I have my dye. I'm going to be using Manic Panic, which is vegan semi-permanent hair color, and I have the shade Ultra Violet. And I'm going to be using most of this, probably between half and all of this.
So I have all my stuff in my bathroom. I squirted out my conditioner and I'm going to add some dye. Kind of went for half of the dye. Checked the color as I was mixing it in. And when I got it to what I liked, I went ahead and put up about half of my hair. I tried to use this snazzy clip that came with my hair dye and stuff, but I have thick hair, so it didn't work, so I used another clip as well. Before I got started, I went ahead and put coconut oil all around my face and neck in the hopes that it would keep the dye from dyeing my face and neck. And then I got my gloves on and I put some dye on the brush and I started painting it in. And then I basically just started working my way around, at this point avoiding the roots and working mainly on saturating all the ends. And I made sure to get top and bottom. And then when I got all those ends saturated, I let down another layer. Did the same thing. And then I did the top layer. And then I went at trying to get the roots. So for this, I would use the end of the long brush to part my hair in sections going up and down each side. And then when I thought I had that pretty good, I went ahead and just tried to massage some more into the back of my head, because figure, can't see there, probably missed the most spots, till I ran out of dye basically. And then I went ahead and put a processing cap on, and I waited for like 35 minutes. And then we went ahead and devised a plan for rinsing my hair out without staining any rented part of the apartment that we didn't want to pay damage fees for. So we rinsed it outside into this bucket very carefully. Not particularly fun, but pretty effective. And this was with cold water. So just get all the dye out. Look at that nice view. And it came out pretty dark, but also tinted purple. The purple was actually pretty hard to see, and it started washing out pretty quickly, but I will update you more in a follow-up video.
No.